Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, or you don't think that it's possible because you're broke? In today's video, I'll share with you how you can travel to USA for free. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Let's just get right into today's business. So guys, have you heard of the Bill Gates Scholarship? You can actually study in the USA. Do you know that? Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and one of the richest people in the world, recently announced 300 Bill Gates scholarships, yes, 2026 in the United States. This is a great news. This is actually great news for international students that are looking to study in the United States. The Bill Gates Scholarship is now open for application. So if you are interested, be sure to apply. I'm going to give you all the details in today's video. The Bill Gates Scholarship is a highly selective scholarship and they offer full funding to undergraduate students. So if you are looking for a great opportunity to study at an American university, look no further, guys, because Bill Gates Scholarship is here to support you. So here are the details that you need to know. It is sponsored by Bill Gates, the owner of Microsoft. I would call him the owner of Microsoft. And here are some of the benefits of the scholarship. So guys, the Bill Gates Scholarship is a fully selective and full scholarship for undergraduate students to study in the USA. All expenses paid. Yes, all expenses for the scholarship, including full tuition, is paid for. Room and board is paid for. Books and supplies is paid for. Travel expenses to and from United States. I told you I'm looking out for you guys. And in case you're asking who is eligible for this scholarship, now you have to be a citizen of a country other than the United States of America. It's not open to US citizens, yes, and you need to have a valid passport, and you need to have completed your high school outside of the United States, yes, by the scholarship application deadline. You must demonstrate financial need. You must show that you need money. And then you must plan to enroll as a full-time freshman at one of their partner colleges in the United States, and you must meet eligibility criteria for federal students. And if you fulfill all these criteria I've shared, then you are eligible to apply for the Bill Gates Scholarship. Now, requirements for the scholarship program are as follows. The Bill Gates scholars must maintain a minimum grade point average and demonstrate significant leadership qualities. The Bill Gates Scholarship is a need-based scholarship, so recipients must also demonstrate financial need. You must prove that you need money or you don't have funding. Scholarships are awarded based on applicants' academic achievement, participation in community service, and they must demonstrate leadership potential. Now, it is closing soon. No, don't say I did not tell you. Yes, Bill Gates Scholarship is a highly competitive and prestigious scholarship. So if you are interested in applying for the Gates Scholarship, you should start by researching the eligibility requirements, then start working on your own application. Next thing you need to do is your personal information, your educational history, employment history, extracurricular activities, letter of recommendation, personal essay. Please note that it is important that Bill Gates Scholarship is only available to students who intend to enroll in an undergraduate program at a USA institution. No requirements application, no required application fee. You don't need to pay application fee. If you meet the eligibility requirements and you're ready to start working on your application, you can find more information on the Bill Gates Scholarship website. And yes, I have done all the homework for you as always. Find the link in my description, and yes, you can take it from there. If you have any other question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to support you guys. And in my next video, I'm going to share with you another opportunity to travel abroad for free. Yes, I compiled a list of fully funded conferences that you can attend. They will be covering your airfare. They will pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need to travel for these conferences. So guys, I'm going to share with you exactly all that you need to know. Do not forget to also introduce yourself if you're new here. And yeah, I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. Thank you for always sharing out my videos. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I'm going to share with you in my next video how you can travel Zanzibar free of charge. Yes, you can actually travel to Zanzibar free of charge. And yes, do not forget to turn on the notification bell, because I'm here constantly researching. See, I'm always researching opportunities for you guys. So if you have any question for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And if you have not met me before, let me also quickly introduce myself real quick. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every week, 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube Sundays, 1 p.m. Pacific time. And yes, if you also want me to research to do a research for you, comment below. Comment down below. If you have ever applied for any of the opportunities I've shared on this channel, comment down below. If you're going to be applying for today's, opportunity, scholarship opportunity, comment down below. And if you want me to do a research for what you want, let me know as well. And yes, if you have not liked this video, if you have not shared this video, if you have not introduced yourself in the comments. And quick one, guys, if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, I am now taking consultations from you guys, but you have to be a Patreon member or a channel member. You have to click on the join button right next to the subscribe button and become a part of the inner campus. And this is because before now, it used to be everyone and anyone can book a one-on-one consultation with me, but I realized people don't value time, their time and my time. So a lot of times I've encountered people who book my free consultation and they don't show up, and it takes a lot for me to interrupt whatever it is that I'm doing and prepare for a meeting and get into the meeting and wait endlessly and the person doesn't show up. I decided because of that to make it, you have to be part of the community, my inner circle, to be able to book a one-on-one consultation so that you don't end up wasting my time and your time. So yes, the Patreon community is there. Click on you can join my Patreon community. You can find the link in the description, or you can use the join button right next to the subscribe button and join my Patreon community. It's as easy and as simple as A, B, and C. Please come prepared with your questions. You want to see someone, you want to book an appointment to see someone, you need to be armed with whatever you want to discuss with this person. So please, I implore that you come correct. Don't waste my time and don't waste your time. Help you make that dream become a reality. And that will be all for now. A quick one, guys. If you also want to win $100 cash gift, I'm doing a giveaway on this channel. All you need to do is just add 50 people into my Telegram community. And that is it. Just add 50 people into my Telegram community and we can take it from there. Yeah, that's about it, guys. You can also find the link to my Telegram community in the description. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and God bless you. Bye for now. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you I'm using, and I'm so proud of you. Watch out for my next video. I'm going to show you how you can travel to Zanzibar free of charge. Alright, take care, guys, and God bless you. Bye for now, for the last time. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.